In this video, you're gonna be learning how to get free Nigerian number for Opay. So I don't know the reason why you ask or you're searching for a video like this, but probably you're not in Nigeria, because if you're in Nigeria, I'm very sure you know how to get number for Opay, right? But if you're not from Nigeria and you're from other country and you're looking for a way to get free Nigerian number for Opay, so I can just tell you, like, you can find people that are in Nigerian to help you buy a SIM or to help you get a SIM, but it should be someone that you actually trust, because it's very risky. Because if the person actually get a number for you and you use the number to open an Opay account, that person, if it's not trustworthy, the person can actually retrieve the account on your behind your back, and then retrieve the account and withdraw your money behind your back, because they're gonna send all the codes to that number, maybe change of password, account details, everything, because Opay use number to as account number, so the person will be using that number as an account number. So you have to be someone that you trusted, that will help you get a SIM. So once that person get a SIM card for you, whether Nine Mobile, MTN, Airtel, Airtel, I guess, then Glow. So these are the 4 networks that is available in Nigeria. So anyone you actually want to use, just tell the person, make sure he's trustworthy, it's someone that you can trust, so then the person will be able to get any free Nigerian number for you. You have to pay the person because SIM card is not free, so then the person can actually get the SIM card for you and then open the back for you as well. Then you can start using your Opay account. The person is gonna register for you, then it will provide you the password you wish to use, then you can start using your Opay account. So yeah, that is it.